How to edit your name on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. And once you do that, you want to click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, then click on settings. And from the account section, click on personal and account information, and then click on name. And here you will be able to change your first name, your middle name, and your last name. Once you do that, click on review change. It will take you to this page where you can see a preview of how your name will appear, whether you want it to be first name last name or last name first name. Choose whatever option you want. And once you do that, you need to enter your password in this field right here. But remember, you won't be able to change the name within the next 60 days, so keep that in mind. And if you are okay with that, click on save changes and your name will be changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.